Hey guys, so let's see how you can containerize the Python application. Okay, so here I have this one Flask application. Okay, so here you will see some of the endpoints we have for this API, and let me just quickly show you the requirements.txt. This is the requirement.txt. Now to make it as a container, you need to write a Docker file, right? So for that, what we will do first is that first I will check the what's the version of Python here, so I can use the same kind of image. Okay, so this is the 3.10.12. Okay, so you can just search on the Google like Python Docker image karke, and you will come upon this official image. So you can just scroll down up to 3.10 if you find anywhere. So you can see 10.20 is there. Okay, so there will be 10.12 as well. Let me just see. 3.10. Okay. Okay, what we can do is that 3.10 slim कर लेते हैं. Okay. Okay. So let's write the Docker file for this. So first we will decide the base image. So base image is basically from Python colon 3 dot what was here 10 slim. After that, you can just define the work directory, that is the slash app. Then after that, what you have to do is that we can just copy the things here, and after that, we'll be basically running the requirement.txt requirements.txt. After that, basically, what you do, you can give the cmd command, that is the python 3, and your application file, that is the app.py. Okay, so now at this moment you are good to go. Just save it and build this image my api colon v1 if you want to give versioning, and yeah, just build it. So okay, the legacy will depreciation will be on future release. mm, Enable docker file. Okay, did I write spelling wrong? Okay, docker file. Okay, cool. Just clear the screen and again build it. What happened now? Vi docker file. It's correct only. Docker build hyphen t my api dot. Okay, okay, now it's permission denied. Okay, I just need to use sudo here. So now it will basically build your image. So you can see it is downloading the dependencies and all, and yeah, image has been built successfully. So you can just do sudo docker images. Okay, so you will see my API latest is there. Now to run this image, what you can do is that sudo docker run hyphen dit hyphen name my API cont hyphen p. I can give colon to 5000 to 5000. Then I can give the image name, that is the my API, and just run it. Let's do sudo docker ps, and let's do sudo docker logs hyphen f, and the container name, that is the my API cont. So now here you will see it's running on this. It's showing localhost there. We are mapped but to the 5000 port. So you can just go into your EC2. You can copy the this one your IP address and make sure you have enabled the port 5000 in your security group. So here I have already enabled 5000. You can see. Okay. So let's give that 5000. So you can see API is running. There is one more endpoint, that is the health, I think. So you can see its status is health, it's showing. Okay, and you can see the logs over here as well. So in this way you can basically containerize any basic python application. Okay, so that is for this video. And also one more thing, if you are just want to learn docker from the scratch or something, you can just go through this playlist. Let me just open. So we'll see here I have the playlist of the docker. So yeah, this is the one. You can just go through it. You can learn so many things here. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.